Radiology X-rays Part 1, Chest and Abdomen. This video is brought to you by Salt Papers OBGY Neonatology Questions, available on Flipkart and Amazon. Identify the condition.
We can see the steeple sign or church top appearance or pencil tip sign, which is seen in croup.
Identify the condition.
This is thumb sign seen in acute epiglottitis on lateral view of the neck.
Identify the condition.
This is colon cutoff sign, in which we can see the gaseous distension in the proximal colon associated with abrupt termination of gas within the colon. It is seen in acute pancreatitis.
Identify the condition.
We can see the sentinel loop sign seen in acute pancreatitis. Other signs which we can see are gasless abdomen and renal halo.
Identify the condition.
We can see the single bubble sign, which is seen in congenital hypertrophic pyloric stenosis, in which there is obstruction beyond the stomach.
Identify the condition.
We can see the double bubble sign, which is seen in annular pancreas, so there is obstruction of the duodenum.
Identify the condition.
Multiple bubble sign seen in ileal atresia.
Identify the condition.
Ground glass appearance or holy leaf sign seen in asbestosis.
Identify the condition.
Air crescent sign or monad sign seen in aspergillosis.
Identify the condition.
We can see multiple fractures of metaphysis, which is seen in battered baby syndrome.
Identify the condition.
Hyperlucency and patchy infiltrates are seen in bronchiolitis obliterans.
Identify the condition.
Bunch of grapes appearance or string of beads appearance, tram tack appearance is seen in bronchiectasis or cystic fibrosis.
Identify the condition.
Atelectasis or reverse S sign is seen in bronchogenic carcinoma.
Identify the condition.
Solitary lung nodule without calcification is seen in carcinoma lung.
Identify the condition.
Blumberg sign or Rigler sign is seen in chemical peritonitis.
Identify the condition.
Gloved finger appearance of Simon or fleeting sign is seen in allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillosis.
Identify the condition.
Cannonball appearance or snowball appearance is seen in choriocarcinoma.
Identify the condition.
Egg in cup heart seen in constrictive pericarditis.
Identify the condition.
Cobblestone appearance of colon is seen in Crohn disease.
Identify the condition.
Box-shaped heart is seen in Epstein anomaly.
Identify the condition.
Gooseneck appearance in heart is seen in endocardial cushion defect.
Identify the condition.
Exploded popcorn appearance is seen in hamartoma.
Identify the condition.
Air crescent, combo, onion peel appearance, water lily, camelot, serpent or crumpled membrane appearance, floating membrane appearance are seen in hydrated cyst in lung.
Identify the condition.
Sawtooth irregularities or thumbprint sign seen in ischemic colitis.
Identify the condition.
Bulging fissure sign seen in Klebsiella pneumonia.
Identify the condition.
Widening of carinal angle, elevation of left bronchus, double shadow of right border of heart seen in left atrial enlargement.
Identify the condition.
Left Sichel sign, hyperinflation of the superior segment of the left lower lobe is seen when there is collapse of left upper lobe of lung.
Identify the condition.
Stack of coins appearance seen in mesenteric thrombosis.
Identify the condition.
Gasless abdomen is seen in midgut volvulus.
Identify the condition.
Scimitar syndrome, which is a partial anomalous pulmonary venous connection. So we can see the Turkish sword appearance. The anomalous pulmonary vein can be seen parallel to the right heart border.
Identify the condition.
Money bag or water bottle heart seen in pericardial effusion.
Identify the condition.
Sitting duck heart seen in persistent truncus arteriosus.
Identify the condition.
Golden S sign seen in phantom tumor or vanishing tumor.
Identify the condition.
Ellis curve is seen in pleural effusion.
Identify the condition.
Lift up of the apex of heart is seen in right ventricular hypertrophy.
Identify the condition.
This is continuous diaphragm or spinnaker sail sign seen in pneumomediastinum.
Identify the condition.
Nacclerio V sign is seen in pneumomediastinum.
Identify the condition.
Western mark sign, oligemia distal to the large vessel that is occluded by a pulmonary embolus, Hampton Hum sign, that is wedge shaped opacification adjacent to the pleural surface, or Palla sign, enlarged right descending pulmonary artery, are seen in pulmonary embolism.
Identify the condition.
Jug handle heart, seen in pulmonary hypertension.
Identify the condition.
Figure of 3 appearance on left border of heart, coarctation of aorta.
Identify the condition.
Silhouette sign of Felsen, or right border of heart is obscure, seen in pathology of the right middle lobe of lung.
Identify the condition.
Garland triad, or 1, 2, 3 sign, or pawnbroker sign, in which there is enlargement of right paratracheal nodes, right hilar nodes, and left hilar nodes, seen in sarcoidosis.
Identify the condition.
Snowstorm appearance, or eggshell calcification, seen in silicosis.
Identify the condition.
Snowman appearance, figure of 8 appearance, or cottage loaf heart, seen in total anomalous pulmonary venous connection.
Identify the condition.
Boot shaped heart, core and sabot, is seen in tetralogy of Fallot.
Identify the condition.
Egg on string appearance is seen in transposition of great arteries.
Identify the condition.
Prominent interlobar fissure is seen in transient tachypnea of newborn.
Identify the condition.
Ground glass opacities, white lung, seen in respiratory distress syndrome or hyaline membrane disease.
Identify the condition.
Fleeting opacities are seen in vaginal granulomatosis. Thank you.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe.